Good morning guys and welcome back to Carspiration. I'm super excited to show you guys this. A BMW 520D that my friend converted into one of the greatest looking replicas you can see. BMW diesels, but after driving this one, it really changed my whole perspective of how powerful a 2-liter can be. And it's crazy. He put so much new mods to it that it really made it look so good. It made it look tasteful. I mean, before all the mods, it used to be a classy car and everything, but of course, the owner wanted to spec it to his liking. And I gotta say, it looks good. So now let's go take it for a drive. I'm gonna ask the owner some questions. And he's just gonna tell me the kind of specs he put in his car. So yeah, let's go. Just show this part na lang.
Okay.
This area.
Oh my god. Stop moving.
So we're inside the BMW. And wow, it is so luxurious yet sporty at the same time. I really love it. I love the fact that he just put his own personal liking. And now, I want you guys to hear something. Now just remember, this is a diesel. Woo! That's coming from a diesel. Can you imagine that? That's crazy. It sounds like a gas car. Well, on idle you could tell it's diesel, but when you floor it, when you make it, oh wow! When it gets to the high revs, that's when you know. Beautiful car, a beautiful diesel engine that revs up to 5.5 when you floor it. That's not bad, that's really high. Wow, this car is intense. This car is really intense. Wow, amazing machine right here. Just go here. Sorry, I'm just really entranced with this car. It's amazing. You guys should really hear it in person. It's something else. Woo! Wow! Damn! This is a 2-liter and it just kicks so hard. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Put the specs of the BMW up here. So if you guys want to check that out, it's right there. Now, when my friend had the exhaust installed, free muff, I believe it added what, like a 10, 20 horsepower?
Oh, 22. They said minimum 20 horsepower, but honestly, I think 15 max. Okay. 15 horsepower max.
Okay. Which isn't bad. And he had his wrap done, this beautiful blue that I forgot the shade of it. It was a baby blue?
It was sky blue. It's not an actual BMW colorway.
Yeah.
Because the one in BMW is called Smurf blue, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. So you wanted to keep it as special as possible.
Yeah, I didn't want it to look like some other BMW you just see on the street.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. Now, could you tell me a bit more about what else you added? I remember you were with me. We had it dechromed in my mechanic's place.
Yes, right before we got it dechromed, this was already an ECU stage 1.
Yeah.
That gave around 10 horsepower. After that, I had all the limiters taken away because if you don't know this, BMW actually, in some countries, they put a limiter to their cars, which actually doesn't give its full potential. And sadly, they did it here in the Philippines, so I had the limiters taken away.
Oh, that's great, man. Full brakes. Rev up here. Woo! Wow! Oh, that pulls. That pulls real hard. That's intense! Wow. So for those curious, this is how the exhaust sounds like from the 520D of my friend Jamal. Jamal, can you give it a rev? Yo! Intense, bro! So there it is, guys. That is my friend Jamal's beautiful 520D with the M Sport bumpers, blacked out everything, no chrome at all. And yo. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we got this, man. Yep. I'll see you guys soon. Like and subscribe to Carspiration, social media accounts down below. And yeah, take care, guys.